Okay. I'm using the GoPro, so I had to kind of relearn how to do that. Today's June 18th, 2024, and I finally finished writing and submitting the appeal yesterday. So that's all done, and I just wanted to update some of the things that I'm done and that I'll be doing and uploading accordingly. So there's Jake. This is the deck that comes out from the cabin. Boy, it's a hottie, as you all know. So the first thing is I took the flagpole from Remsenburg that was by the pool and brought it here and put it up on May 30th of this year, which is the actual Memorial Day celebration, until Bush changed it. And it's very cool. And I also went on to Amazon and got a solar powered light. So the left is the solar panel, and to the right is a light that beams up with plenty of brightness to illuminate the flag at night like it's supposed to be. Okay. Now, also, I got some plants, perennials, and a couple bushes. Well, here is the bottom of the flagpole. Jake, with the bad thing, I don't really like him out. But anyway, I got some of these perennials and bushes, and I put all those in, which he's sniffing. On this side of the driveway, you can see there's a lot of ferns here. And then some on this side. So that's two things. And come on, Jake. Go down a little more. As you can see, the garage is still not built, although the floor's in. And under those two tarps is a greenhouse I got from Costco. I think it's 8.5 feet by 6.5 feet, which has to be completely assembled, which I'll do. And that'll be the subject of another video. As you can see, the John Deere and its cover here, and there's these two funky things. I don't know, I guess they look kind of like spider webs. And there's another one here. So I don't know what that is. And there's the trailer, and then those two 50-gallon plastic drums will have one end not completely removed, halfway, and I'll fill that for sand so I could put that along the driveway in the winter. And then we have the as of yet untouched, I have to put oil in it, it's brand new, the 27-ton Champion log splitter. And still the two garage doors that will be put back in. All right, Mr. Jakey. Come on. Oh, you got a rock. Mr. Jake, what are you doing with the rock? Come on, you. Oh, and as you might be able to hear, there is an AC up there. And underneath that blue tarp with the 40-pound propane is the generator, which is going to be hooked up this Friday by the electrician to a transfer switch downstairs next to the panel, which will run a few circuits, God forbid, power is lost. And let's see what else. Oh, another project coming up is the building of raised garden beds. They'll be in the form of a U, if you will. And there's the material to do that. Of course, I got to get dirt as well to fill it in. And then I can finally plant my garden this year. Now, this isn't the other camera, so I can't zoom. But to the right of those bricks, you'll see some plants that are a little taller than everything else. They're sunflower plants. So that should look really cool. All right. So as you can see, I have my work cut out for me. And I guess that's about it. Until next time, God bless.